Alright guys, so today's video is sponsored by HighOh. They reached out to me and sent me their cloth pad starter set. In this set you get 6 cloth pads. These are charcoal bamboo and they are similar. I don't know if you've seen my cloth diaper video. If you haven't, I'll link it up here and I'll link it in the description box. But this is charcoal bamboo insert. This is very absorbent and it gives a stay dry feel when you're wearing it. These are the cloth pads and these snap to your underwear, and then when you're done you roll them up and you can just snap them shut like so. And then they come with a bag to store your cloth pads in when you're not, when they need to be washed. So cloth pads, I got to using cloth pads, and the reason I love this company so much, it was started by two sisters, and they started the company because they were very low income. The cool thing about cloth pads are that they're reusable. When I started using cloth pads, I did it out of financial need. Same reason why I started cloth diapering. There was a financial need for me to cloth pad because we were very, like we were poor. They're eco-friendly and they are better for your health. So some of the benefits of using cloth pads are that they are less expensive, they're environmentally friendly, and they're non-toxic. Cloth pads are also amazing for leaks. I have not experienced any type of leak with wearing a cloth pad, and they're fairly easy to clean. They can come in a variety of different fabrics. Sometimes they're made out of cotton, hemp, flannel, but my favorite is definitely charcoal bamboo. This has a stay dry feel to it. It is very soft. It doesn't feel wet or cold when you're wearing it. These are very absorbent and they last a long time. If you have cloth pads and you wear them regularly, they can last you upwards of 5 years. Like I've had cloth pads when I did use cloth pads, I had them forever. They last a long time. These are very well made. They're very well constructed. They're really heavy duty. Like this thing's gonna last a while.
Okay guys, so I had to give you a close-up because I love these pads so much. They're very sturdy, durable, and well made. And for every set that's purchased, they will donate 1 cloth pad to a woman in need. So I could go on and on about why cloth pads are so awesome, but to me, the most important factor is cost. Cloth pads are around $5 to $10 per pad, and depending on where they're made, by machine or by hand, and the size of them, the average person, I would say, needs around 5 to 6 of them to make it through their period. So that's around $30 for 5 years of pads. It's clearly far cheaper than disposables. And to make it worse, there's a tax on pads in most countries, and it's called the pink tax, that you get charged for simply being a woman, which is complete BS, but that's another conversation for another day. But if you have a heavy or long period, girl, I especially feel your pain, because you might be spending $10 a month or even more because you need an entire box of tampons as well as pads. The nighttime pads and jumbo pads and tampons are even more expensive because there are fewer of them in the box.
Also, they provided you guys with a discount code and it'll be in the description box, in addition to a link where you can purchase these pads.